What's up, squad? How's everybody doing? Sorry that I haven't been on in a while. It's been kind of hectic over here, so I haven't been able to do much. I had 2 birthdays show up, important ones. One, my sister, Trafina, and then the other, my girlfriend, Desi. And I did 2 big projects for them, but I didn't record them because where my setup was, I was in the living room and I didn't feel like bothering anybody. So, but now that I'm back here, and I've moved my desk if you hadn't noticed, so I have more space, less space over here technically, can't really move them around that much, but it works. But I can walk to my bed without like rubbing my butt on the desk the whole time, so that's good. I can do videos on the projects, like not the process I've done, like talking about them and stuff like that, because right now I have Trafina's in this box, because we haven't had a chance to mail it out yet, so I'll make a video about it Tuesday, and then we'll mail it out as soon as possible. Sorry it's been taking so long. It's just a lot going on, and it's a big process, but you won't see the video until she gets it. Hopefully she'll let us know when she gets it so I can post the video, because it's supposed to be a surprise, and Desi's, she already got her project, so I'll talk about hers. It's a big project. So, and I'll show y'all how to do another one just like it, because I have some more stuff on my desk in the back. Give me a second. It's stuck. Give me a second. Right here, like here's one of the pieces, and I'm not going to show you anything else because you might be able to guess from that, from anything else I show you. So it's just that metal ring right now. I also lost my job because they hired too many people, so they had to let some of us go. But recently, like 10 people quit, so I'll probably be able to get my job back. So wish me luck. I have my uncle Chance fixed my Windows computer, so it's not running like a potato anymore, and he's got it set up for gaming. And right now I have Gmod on there, and I have ESO on there, and I have Raft on there, and a couple other games, all good games that I want to make videos on. And I can do it on my computer and live stream and whatever, and it would be way easier than doing it on the Xbox, but whatever. And I just need to get friends to play with on Gmod and stuff, so yeah. So keep an eye out for those videos. I will be going back to my schedule Tuesdays and Thursdays, eventually, as soon as I can get back on my schedule. If you haven't noticed, on Facebook I posted my new website that I just posted. I'm going to post it on Instagram as soon as possible, and some other places as well. And if you haven't checked it out, please check it out. Let me know if I need to change anything, or if it looks great, sounds great, whatever. I'm also working on a separate branch of my business, which is advertising. So I have a test client that I'm working with, so I don't waste people's time who are going to pay me, waste my money, and waste my time. So I'm doing a couple tests because this is a whole new learning process, the advertisement. So but if I can get it going, I can get paying customers and stuff like that, and so wish me luck on that as well. And if you haven't noticed, which, I mean, it's right here, so burp. I got my microphone stand, and hopefully I sound great with my fob and everything. So yeah. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Oh wait, I'm not done yet. Forgot. I'm gonna be making other videos as well soon, like reaction videos, by myself and with some other people as well. So I hope you enjoy those, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.